At 12:23 on this Tuesday afternoon, we continue to track the heat all across the valley. Right now in McAllen, temperatures have reached 83 degrees. Plenty of sunshine out there, but because of that higher dew point, we're still in the upper 60s in the muggy category. It does make it feel about 3 degrees warmer than actual readings. Plus, the calm winds may actually make it feel a little bit more stuffy compared to yesterday, where we had all of those gusty winds around. That's not going to be the case this afternoon. It's also 83 in Brownsville and Harlingen, 79 here in Weslaco. Dew point value of 68. That's what I'm talking about. That is that muggy factor, and it looks like it's going to stay with us this afternoon as well as tomorrow before the next cold front rolls in, and that brings some changes. But look at this afternoon. Very, very calm winds out of the south. So really no gusty wind to kind of give you a break from that stifling heat out there, but it's still hot. We're going to reach 93 in McAllen today, the lower 90s in Edinburg, Rio Grande City, and Weslaco. But I've put the records here in yellow, and you see that McAllen is probably going to shatter the record of 86 today. Even here in Weslaco, it looks like we're going to break our record by a couple of degrees. But then you go into the lower valley and the coast, and it stays in the upper 80s and even the low 80s along the coastline. But Brownsville definitely looks like a record-breaking day for you. Harlingen, you'll get pretty close there with about a degree or so within your record of today for today. Satellite and radar across Texas shows a cold front halfway through the state, but the thing about it is this front is not going to come here. It's going to fizzle out before it actually gets to the valley. Now I want to zoom over and I want to show you this because this front actually extends a little bit farther north, but all of this activity that you see right here that is currently moving to the east is all because of a disturbance ahead of the front, and it's actually triggered some very severe weather in Louisiana and along the Gulf Coast states this afternoon. In fact, when you look at all this area highlighted in red right here, those are tornado warnings, and I do believe that we've had reports that they're checking into to make sure that they really are confirmed tornadoes this afternoon. Some very nasty weather ahead of this front. You'll also look across the west coast, all highlighted in pink and green over there. The pink, wind chill advisories and warnings, and the purple that you see are winter weather warnings, and then the green is that flooding potential. They have got a lot of moisture moving into the Pacific, or from the Pacific onshore, that's going to bring a lot of rain and a lot of snow. Back at home, we will have a weak cold front. It'll move through Thursday morning, and the thing about it is it's not really going to do much to our temperatures, but it will drop the dew points down a little bit to make it feel a bit more comfortable. There could be a few more showers on Friday, but really isolated activity, nothing widespread, although we do need the rain. Looks like we're going to be dry this weekend, but it does look like rain chances do increase for us, and it starts early next week. So for tonight, 66 degrees will be your low under mainly clear skies. There will be fog late tonight through early tomorrow morning that could impact your commute, and it could get rather thick, so be ready for that. 92 degrees. I've bumped up the high temperature a couple of degrees since this morning. After we get through that fog, there will be plenty of sunshine to warm everything up, and it looks like we'll still be well above average for tomorrow before this weak cold front comes in and does this. It will drop us down to the low 80s, so a nice little relief from the very warm, stifling weather, especially with that lower humidity. But as we roll into the weekend, the humidity goes right back up. So we're going to be breezy, warm, and muggy in the upper 80s. By Monday, that's where we'll see the next change. It'll be cloudy with a few showers out there, keeping your rain chances between 30 and 40%. High temperatures that day near 78. Your overnight lows will stay in the mid to upper 60s for the next 7 nights. It looks like Monday night is when we're going to finally drop to the upper 50s. That's your updated First Warn 5 forecast. Channel 5 News at noon. We'll be right back.